Hey mothers, welcome back to my channel Rocking a Beer and Mom. So today's video is a baby food recipe and I'm going to make ragi porridge for 6 months baby. Already this recipe is present in my channel where I made this porridge with dal misri, but today I am going to make this porridge with gur, that means jaggery. Yes, you can add jaggery also in place of dal misri, so the procedure will be same, only you have to add gur in place of dal misri, and after that you can add ghee also in this porridge. So I hope that you will like this video. So please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video then please share, click on the like button. So let's start.